Good day. My name is Nuria, and I am a graphic designer, an artist, whatever. I am a girl from Catalonia, and I wanted to be adventurous this week, so that's why I've made my first vlog, and I started my YouTube channel to show you my world.
So this week I'm trying to take it easy and not fear the unknown. I will try some new things because actually I'm ovulating, so it's time to try new things. At the start of the week, I was at my family's house, so I went to mine via train. Taking the train a lot was my dream as a child, but right now I take them too much, I think. This is what happens when you have no car. Yeah. Rainy days at my city are so cute. So we have these beautiful flowers at home because the neighbor went on vacation. And it is a florist and wanted the plants to be safe because they were so beautiful. One thing I started doing out of nowhere this week is making some extravagant hotel buffet brunch cafeteria kind of massive breakfast. I had an issue of not knowing what to eat for breakfast. Finding solutions to things like this are really creative. I end up doing some interesting choices for breakfast this week that for sure I will take with me all my life. Hostia, no lo grabamos. Hubiera sido muy buen video. Here that we have silence to talk a bit. So let's talk. This week was comforting and important to me because I was feeling badly the other week. Nothing really strong, but it was a bad feeling in my body. So after a bad week, it has to be a healing week. My objective was to take it easy and remembering I'm worthy of feeling better. That's really important for this week. And to take it easy, like take it easy. Everything is easy. Yeah, that's the point. So to stay on the present on this week, what helped me a lot is mantras. I repeat myself positive things until my mind believes them. That's my secret power. I realized I was going round and round and doubting over things that I didn't have to doubt and worry. So that's why I say take it easy, make it easy. Go ahead. I tell myself all the time. Like I was like, should I do this? Should I? Yeah, do it. Like if you thought about it, or don't do it if you don't really want to do it. So yeah, go ahead. Also, my mind was really annoying when I felt bad on my body. Like it was like, is this worth it to do an amazing breakfast? Or is it worth it to go to the beach with your friend? Of course it's worth it if it brings you joy. So it was like, girl, of course it's worth it. Yeah, that's what I learned. So another curious thing that happened this week was that I saw a video at the start about an indigenous people from Bolivia that didn't age, and they walked 17,000 steps a day. An average European walked 5,000 steps a day. I was like, am I like the average? And yeah, I was. I saw my iPhone and I was. So this week I made the objective to walk a lot, and I ended up having great results, even if it was just for 1 week. The thing is that we can walk that much without getting that much tired, at least someone like me. But you never know until you do it. Also, walking makes you discover places you would never discover if you went only by bus or car or even bike. Like there are places you can only go walking. So great. I loved walking a lot.
Que el móvil los veu també.